Okay? Eliminate your debt. Get a software or list not only your debts, but the minimum payments and interest rates. Now, there are a lot of debt elimination softwares out there. I mean, we offer one with Novae, just like a budgeting tool. We offer a budgeting tool with Novae, okay? But there's tons out there if you just, you look for them, right? So, but with a debt elimination software, it allows you to go ahead and enter what your debts are, what your minimum payments are, what your interest rates are, and it helps you put together a game plan. See, what's gonna happen is you can enter your minimum payments, and what happens is your minimum payments affect your cash flow. And interest rates determine how much money your debt is costing you. So you should pay the high interest rate debt down first. I'm gonna say that again. Your minimum payments affect your cash flow. People always talking about cash is king, right? They talk about making all this money. Well, it's not about the money you make. It's about the money you got left after you spend what you make. That's what they call your cash flow. So cash flow is actually king. And it's important you understand that you do everything necessary to increase your cash flow. And you can do that by minimizing your debt. So the quicker you can pay debt off, the more you maximize your cash flow, where you can get closer to building more wealth and also having more fun. There are a lot of people out there, when you talk about finance, they talk about, oh man, well, you just gotta stash all your money away. And you have some people who believe in that, I mean, it's a shame now that we can't travel anywhere, right? We can't go, like, people, I didn't even know people still flying on airplanes right now, but that's the case. I wouldn't go get on an airplane right now, but I'm blessed and fortunate to say, if we were never able to fly anywhere else for the rest of our lives, and that would be devastating to me, but if we were never able to do that, I've been blessed and fortunate to go to several countries. I mean, dozens and dozens, and fly all across the world, just because I've had a plan for my money. Right? Now, I believe we're going to come out of this, but what I want you to understand that at some point, we may get into something that we can't get out of. So in addition to saving for your future and investing, invest something into yourself to be able to travel and experience some other cultures. Even if it's one place, just get yourself a goal. Say, baby, next year we're going to this place, and you want to start saving towards those emergencies, then saving towards those opportunities. And one of those opportunities can be going to that place you want to go. But it's important that you start paying down your debts as quickly as possible so you can start shifting that money into those funds versus paying interest to these large multi-billion-dollar companies. Most of these banks are not wealthy because of the wealthy people who have money in the banks. So that's one reason. But they actually earn billions of dollars every year just off NSF fees, non-sufficient funds, okay? When people don't have money in the bank, when people have to pay extra fees because of bad credit, all that kind of, that's how they really are building wealth. So you got to get yourself on the other side so you can leverage to make more money. Let me go ahead and get through this because I got a lot. I can talk to y'all all night about this, but you want to make sure this debt elimination software is showing you what your minimum payment should be, to the different accounts so you can start paying off that debt quickly. What you can find your interest rates on your billing statements. So if you got credit cards that you're paying every single month, you need to look at those credit card statements, see what your interest rate is, jot that down along with how much your minimum payment is, how much you owe in terms of your balance. And what you want to do is start allocating your money to pay down those largest debts and the highest interest rates first. You say, Rico, well, this one got $2,000 in total debt. This one only has $500 in total debt. But the one with $500 in total debt has a higher interest rate. But I want to knock out the bigger one first. But the one with $500 in debt has a 29.9% interest rate, and the 2000 one has a 12.99% interest rate. The reason why you want to knock out the smaller one first is because it's costing you more money at the tune of 29.99% as opposed to 14.99%, which is less than half. That's why you want to knock out the one with $500, even though it's smaller first, because it's costing you more money by maintaining that debt on a daily basis. Hopefully you got it. A good software will show you what to pay first, but if you're doing it yourself, make sure after you paid it off, that you allocate 100% of whatever you were paying those payments to the next debt so it can go quickly. All right, that's why these softwares will help you pay off your debts in 50 to 75% faster time, and our debt elimination software helps you do that.